at a cafe during a trip to Korea. You can charge your phone, laptop. Wi-Fi is available. Using a translator, there is a mistranslation. Some downtown cafes are open 24 hours a day. First, take a good seat. Find a place where you can use the electrical code. Put your stuff on the table. You order coffee. Wi-Fi is written on the order desk. The Wi-Fi is written on your receipt. Please use it for a long time. It's alright. Clean up before you go out. Place the plates and cups on the recovery table. Throw it away according to the type. Plastic. Coffee. Trash. Take your stuff. Have a nice trip to Korea. Thank you.